Hello everyone, welcome back to In the World of Luxury Automobiles. Few names resonate with as much prestige and innovation as the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. As we step into 2026, Mercedes has unveiled its latest iteration of this flagship sedan, a magnificent blend of cutting-edge technology, sumptuous luxury, and remarkable performance. Join us today as we dive deep into every facet of the 2026 Mercedes S-Class, exploring its stunning design, advanced features, and everything that makes it the epitome of automotive excellence. The first thing that captures your attention is the design. The 2026 S-Class maintains the elegant silhouette that has made it an iconic presence on the roads. With its long hood, smooth curves, and a distinctly aerodynamic profile, this model takes luxury to a whole new level. The front fascia is bold yet refined, featuring the signature Mercedes diamond grille that commands attention. Flanking the grille are sleek, LED headlights with an adaptive lighting system that automatically adjusts based on driving conditions, ensuring visibility is never compromised. At the rear, the tail lights are slimmer and more modern, connecting seamlessly with the overall aesthetic. The dual exhaust tips enhance the sporty look while echoing the performance lurking beneath the surface. The color options available are as enticing as ever, with a palette that includes deep metallic tones and rich hues, allowing owners to customize their vehicle truly to their taste. Step inside, and you're embraced by an interior that defines luxury. The craftsmanship is impeccable, showcasing fine leather, real wood accents, and meticulously designed details that elevate the driving experience. The cabin is spacious, with ample legroom both at the front and back, emphasizing comfort and refinement. The seats feature multi-contour technology, offering customized settings for both heated and cooled options, along with massage functions that can make even the longest journeys enjoyable. Every element in the 2026 S-Class is designed with the passenger's comfort in mind. One of the standout features of the 2026 S-Class is its advanced MBUX infotainment system. The 12.8-inch OLED central display seamlessly integrates with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, providing crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Voice recognition has reached new heights, allowing for natural language commands, making it more user-friendly than ever. The augmented reality head-up display projects vital driving information right onto the windshield, ensuring the driver remains focused on the road ahead while providing essential data at a glance. The Burmester 4D surround sound system envelops passengers in an immersive audio experience. With strategically placed speakers and subwoofers, the sound quality is nothing short of exceptional, making any drive a concert-like experience. But luxury isn't just about comfort. It's also about security. The S-Class is equipped with an advanced suite of safety technologies, including active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, and an updated version of the pre-safe system that prepares the vehicle and its occupants for potential collisions. With Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities expected in select markets, the S-Class can navigate highway conditions, change lanes, and even park itself, allowing drivers to relax and enjoy the ride. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers a choice of powertrains, ensuring there's an option for every performance enthusiast. The lineup starts with a twin-turbocharged inline-six that delivers a robust performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. For those seeking even more power, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine is also available, providing that exhilarating acceleration that defines the S-Class. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth gear shifts and a responsive driving experience.